Have you been looking to grow your business and achieve better customer conversations? Nowadays, the world is rapidly drifting towards intelligent business solutions that can make important decisions and perform essential tasks on behalf of humans. With these technological advancements, chatbots have become more artificial intelligence driven and are now able to handle complex human conversations with ease. So how can chatbots help your business? Well, the key advantage is being available anytime and anywhere to handle customer interactions, which gives your business broad access to potential and existing customers. By having an artificial intelligence chatbot, your customers won't need to have endless interactions with customer service agents. Why use a chatbot in your business? Lead generation 24/7 availability, time and effort saving, leveraging your data, improve customer experience, automate repetitive tasks, improve response time and increase agent productivity. Our chatbot particularly makes everything easier by working as part of the human team in a complete harmony and helping you automate requests and get all customer interactions in one place. Whether via WhatsApp, SMS, chat, social media and more. With Nixxis, you can increase your business availability and offer customers artificial intelligence-powered customer service features. Call us today to learn more about how artificial intelligence chatbots help make your business better.